Hasta la bye-bye. And when you're my age, I need to start putting down breadcrumbs. How you doing? You remember me?
I do. So sorry. I need your YouTube and
That area up there, you get halfway. I got halfway up there. Actually, I got all the way, up there. And I did not like the sensation I felt. Well, we're on our way to the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. I believe this road is about 3.5 miles long. I'm gonna get my trip meter on the way back just to verify that. When I started this Palm Springs Aerial Tramway YouTube project of mine, I had no idea who Frances Crocker was. I have since found out he is the visionary behind the tramway. He was an electrical engineer by trade and a prominent figure in Palm Springs who was involved with various community development projects, but he was always passionate about building access to the top of Mount San Jacinto. He knew that if he could pull that off, then the city would be better off because of it. And he knew that a tram system was the way to do it. I can just imagine him sitting in his backyard on a hot Palm Springs afternoon, sweating away and looking up at the mountain that he knew was 40 degrees cooler, thinking, I can fix this. I mean, that's what engineers do. They want to fix things. And he was determined to do just that. He had the connections and business savvy to do it. He was faced with a lot of opposition, though, from the state and conservationists, because they were worried. They were worried about who would be paying for all this, and they're also worried about who's going to be protecting the wildlife and the plant species from the visitors and the construction and all the stuff, So, after years or decades of back and forth negotiations, having to settle for a pared down version of what he originally wanted, they finally agreed, and he got the approval he needed. I kind of felt that way when I was jumping through the hoops necessary to do my videos on the tram and the state park. No, just kidding. Kind of, not kind of, but it pales in comparison. But anyways, he secured the funding to build the original tram through the sales of bonds and keeping his promise for $0 taxpayer dollars going towards its construction and upkeep. The cost was $8.5 million, and it took 26 months to complete, opening in September of 1963 with the Governor Jerry Brown cutting the ribbon for the inaugural ride. In 1998, the tram went through a renovation that included replacing the cars with the current rotating tram cars. And just as before, $0 tax dollars spent. And this time the cost was over $12 million. Fun fact, the cars don't spin. It's actually the floors that spin. So you have to either hold the stationary railings mounted in the center of the cars, or constantly shift your hands along the railings mounted on the car walls that are not moving, but you are. It takes some getting used to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. He was a heavy hitter in Palm Springs, and he made this tram idea work, and we're all better off for it. The tram serves the community in a lot of different ways. Transportation, safe transportation up to the top of the mountain. None of this crazy back roads getting there, and it was a dangerous situation trying to get there. But 26 months later, he pulled it off. So I tip my hat to him. This has been quite the experience. Me doing this video. It's a lot of hoops to jump through, like I said. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'm on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Thank you. we're back. I hope I don't get rained on. But right now, we're going to the train. Saying goodbye to Missy for a little bit. But I realized I forgot a couple of things. Well, I didn't forget. When you're recording with a GoPro, it's a mystery as to what you're going to have at the end of the day. I had a couple of really good shots, but the audio didn't turn out. So I'm hoping everything's good now. But then again, I just remembered I got to correct my audio. And just that easy, I almost ruined my audio for this one. There's so many things to remember when you're doing a video that there's so many things you can forget to do. And you end up with something that's not very useful. And when you're my age, I need to start putting down breadcrumbs. So this is the tram. Get your tickets. Get your tickets here. She sold me my pass. That's where you do your boarding. Tram's coming down. Let's see. It'll be a while before we see one. I don't know. Here comes one. I come all the way up here and I almost missed the tram. Man, how many people they got crammed in that thing?
Welcome, adventure seekers, to the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. I'm Ryder Red, the tram's official host, and I have a secret.
It was interesting. He was spraying some kind of, I'm assuming, disinfectant in there. That's good to know. Here we go. Thank you, sir. How you doing? We are in the tram. Here we go. Is this cool or what? While we ascend to Mountain Station, I want to take a minute to give a special thank you to Madison Morgan, who is the public relations manager for the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. She was key to this video being made. Without her cooperation, this video would not have happened. She could have put the kibosh on the whole thing. And I'm so grateful to her for allowing me to create this video. She was also very instrumental in getting me in touch with the necessary folks, the authorities having jurisdiction in the parks area at the top of this mountain, the state park. Without her helping me along, this could have taken a lot longer to accomplish. But she got me in touch with the powers that be, and after many emails and conversations later, permits and what have you, these videos are getting done, and I am very appreciative for that. So thank you so much, Madison, for all your help. You are awesome.
All right, here goes that third tower. This has the largest swing of them all. Hold on. Here we go. You got this.
I'm with you, brother.
The smallest of 5 towers is tower number 4. 57 empty total, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level.
Right, here's Tower 4.
Views truly spectacular.
All right, my friends, welcome to the mountain station. It's going to be 8,516 feet above sea level when we land. There's going to be a little bit of a bump as we come into the dock, so please continue to hold on.
This is the second level. There's a gift shop, gift store. How you doing? You remember me?
I do. So sorry. I need your YouTube, and I lost.
You know what?
my
I love hearing that. And I got you covered.
Way to go, Harley Davidson.
Look here. Look here now. This is for
You are in style.
I got a card now.
Oh yes.
That way you can't. Diane, would you like to be in my video?
Yeah, but I need my lips on.
Your lips are looking good.
No, I'm putting my lips on. I'm a woman. Come on.
Okay.
Yay, we were down
can't believe you
Valley
remembered
gift
me.
shop. I do. Yay.
This is my friend Diana. She's going to be
How are you?
subscriber.
Yes.
Of course, I was here a couple weeks ago. You said the same thing, though.
I did, and
But
I lost
she
your
lost
little-
my info.
But now you're here.
But now I'm here, and she's
That's
got my
right.
card.
Synchronicities
So
of the
Diana,
universe.
I'm going to make you a star.
That's good. Am I going to get paid?
No.
Oh, okay.
You get paid in love.
That's what I want.
I am so glad to see you, though.
Yay!
But yeah, I'm here all week wrapping up a couple of videos. I'm doing one for the tram and one for San Jacinto State Park.
Okay, so you're gonna do it. That's great.
I'm doing it all. I'm doing this
Yay!
thing.
That's exciting.
I'm so proud of me.
I'm so proud of you. You need to be proud of yourself. Absolutely.
My number
We
one
love
fan.
The mountain gift shop.
We
at
do.
The tram.
We do.
The best stuff.
Always good to see you, Diane.
Nice seeing you.
I'm gonna do my tour.
You got it.
Thank you. I'll be
Okay.
looking forward to hearing from you on my channel.
I am now.
Okay. Thank you. All right, what do we got here? Oh, nothing there. Let's go outside. Gonna have to change my battery here soon. The last time I did this is a take 2 or take 3. My audio wasn't going. Like I said downstairs, a lot of times doing this GoPro stuff, it's a crapshoot as to what I end up with. Because I'll forget one little thing and it'll just take out an entire clip, like video, like audio. But this time I was determined not to forget anything. And I did, right up till I got to the front of the building, and I remembered it. But, so glad. I mean, I wasn't gonna come up here this time. I was like, well, you know, and this part here is kind of hairy for me. I don't like this, but I'm doing it. But I'll tell you what I'm not going to do again. I'm not going up there. I went up there before, and I did not like it. Up there. That area up there, you get halfway. I got halfway up there. Actually, I got all the way, up there. And I did not like the sensation I felt. Kind of like I'm feeling now. Look at there's my Coachella Valley. My windmills. I love my windmills. Windmills mean home to me. Whenever I'm coming into the Coachella Valley and I see my windmills, that means I'm getting close to home. I love it. I don't know. I said I wasn't gonna go up there. I'm out of breath. Grub's View, huh? It is spectacular. This is something. I'm glad I came up here. It's kind of squirrely. I mean, no man has a thing with heights like me, but I made it. After you, brother. You got it. It's not as bad as I thought. The trip up was more concerning than anything else. But, I mean, you gotta do it once. Grubb's Viewpoint. That is awesome. Crazy. Well, that's it for me. We did Grubb's View. I would not have thought I was going to do it. I was out of breath. It's not bad. He said, don't look between the rocks. Don't look between the rocks. And I'm looking. What the heck am I doing? Well, I did it. I'm glad that's over with. How you doing, brother?
Good. How about yourself?
Doing good.
That's it, man. After my own heart.
Let me tell you, I wasn't going to come up here, but the guy downstairs talked me into it. I was like, heights are not my thing. But
You rode your bike up?
yeah,
Oh, we
yeah.
were talking about how that'd be. Me and my wife just started biking, and it's just like we talked about how that'd just be a fun ride up.
A motorcycle.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't do bicycles. I'm too busted up.
No.
But yeah, that little 3.5 mile strip, that's pretty cool. But there's so many of them around here. I don't know if you're from around here or not. But go to Whitewater Preserve. I highly recommend that.
Nice.
It's all flat, no hills,
Yeah.
right on the other side of the 10.
Yep.
Doesn't cost anything, but that's a nice little ride. It's about, I think it's like 5 miles once you get on the road in.
Nice.
And it's a nice community too, Whitewater. So I'm here with my buddy David Leslie,
What's up?
and you're good with being on my channel.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So he met me on the halfway mark here up at, what's this lookout point called?
Oh, I don't know. I think it's for San.
I forget what it is, but
Yeah.
this is the highest lookout point they have here at the tramway. And I wasn't going to do it because I got up here the other day. I got to this point. Actually, I got to that point, and I was done. No, I got to this point, and I was done. I didn't go any further because I didn't know what to expect.
Yeah.
But then Jason, I think the guard downstairs, he says, "You gotta go.
Yeah.
I wanted you guys to meet my new friend David here,
Nice.
and then I'm gonna boogie on down out of here and start working on this video because it's got to be published on Wednesday.
Cool.
Hook or crook, it's gonna happen.
Yep.
Great meeting you, brother.
Good. Yeah.
Man. I did it once. Not doing it again. But that's okay. All right. Let's wrap this up. Oh, I'd like to see it. That's a fire. Yeah, it's got to be a fireplace. Pretty cool. All right. Yep, everybody's loading up. What do we got here? Pines Cafe. I'm getting hungry. I'm smelling this food. Oh, we got. This is what we got to pick from. You know, I could get used to this. Sandwiches. $10.99 turkey croissant sandwich. turkey croissant, cheese tray, $13.99. Got our desserts, cheesecake, $6.49. Salads, $9.99. $6.49 for small. Cheese and nuts. Very cool. I'm getting hungry, walking around here. Got your sodas. I gotta remember there's also a snack bar downstairs. Oh, we got pizza and chicken. How you doing? Pizza and chicken, nachos. They're styling, making me hungry. Making me hungry. Oh, now I'm hungry. All right. So this is level 3. What do we got? Oh, the peaks. Let's do peaks. Let's take a peek at peaks. This is nice. Just want to get a shot of what it looks like. Hi, I'm just wanting to get a shot of what it looks like in here. This is nice. Plenty of space. Great views. Oh, look at that mountain lion. Okay, so I was just in there and the Osobuco. Let's see what that is. There it is. 46 bucks. Osobuco. And he recommended that. 58 for the ribeye. But the Osobuco sounded good. All right. Hopefully the sound is working, as opposed to last time I was here. The sound wasn't working. I'm pretty comfortable walking around here, as you can tell. Tram car's loading up, getting ready to go. These folks are heading out of Dodge. I'm gonna be on the next one probably. Fast, there she goes. There she goes. You know, all I gotta do is think about this long enough and it gets me a little queasy. But, you know, I am getting used to this because that ride up here was a lot better than before. You know what? I want to see if another one's coming up on the other side. Anything? Yeah, you're gonna see this thing bump. You gotta love it. There you go. Piece of cake. Now it's my turn. There we go.
Welcome back to the Valley Station. As we go into the dock, we may exercise just a bit.
So we're down to the Valley Station. This is the snack bar that they have. You don't go up. French fries, hot dogs, pretzels, chicken tenders, nachos, pizza, cheeseburgers, hamburgers. So they have a decent amount of stuff. And they got the alcohol. They got what counts. There you go. So we made it. We did all the catching up I had to do. And now, you see Missy over there. And it's not raining. I really thought it was going to be raining by the time I got out of here. Okay, we're back to where we started here. We're golden. That's it. I felt the raindrop, or I saw a raindrop. But like I always say when I'm signing off, folks, please, when you're out there, especially on a motorcycle, be careful and be kind. All right. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Take care.